All right. Good morning, people. Welcome back to the channel. I am Manizman, and this is I Am Sure Sports with another big, bad, bold, and brave video. Sharing some stuff that you, the people, don't know, so that you, the people, will know. And if you get the information, then you can make the right decision. Want to jump right into the content, right? No time to hesitate. We're going to get right into it. But before we do that, please, 1, 2, 3, hit the like button, subscribe, and share right now. Why you watching the video, you're not subscribing? Subscribe. Why you watching the video, you're not liking? Like the video. Share the video. Tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody that you saw it right here first on I Am Sure. Not SHORE like the ocean, but SURE. Sure. You understand me? In his presence, here is fullness of joy, and at his right hand are pleasures forevermore. We like dwell in the secret place of the Lord most high and abiding under the shadows of the Almighty. Yeah, because we are potent, we are strong. Yeah, man. Listen, some stuff about Mount Pleasant. So, you know that management have been back. You understand me? I haven't gone out into the street, but the phone has been blowing up with calls and Tappa calls and Tappa calls and Tappa texts and Tappa texts. And there's a management. You need to speak to Peter and Paul. You understand me? But me I say Peter and Paul not dead and gone long time. Look how long Bible done right out them man they get killed and all of them things. The Peter and Paul who were leaders in the early church, them say, no, man, you're missing the point. We're talking Peter Gould and Paul Christie. You understand me? Talk to them, man. So I decided that I would take some of what I've heard from the people to share right here so that Peter and Paul, you like that, right? Peter and Paul can listen and probably pivot to what the people are saying. Because this is important. The people of Senton are saying that they want Tappa back along with his team because they don't believe what was done was sufficient, or what was not accomplished was sufficient or enough or justified them being relieved or their contracts not being extended or renewed, and that a decision should be made to sit with them at the table and reverse the decision and put them back in place right now so that training can begin and that the team can begin to prepare for the CONCACAF Club Championship. That is what the people are saying. They say that or else you may not see them following the team with all of these changes. The people are not happy. And I'm telling you this. I tried reaching out to kind of talk to you, but not getting through. Maybe it's my phone. I need to fix my phone. You understand me? Because I have a banger. So buy me a good phone. Me have bangers, right? So I'm not getting through. You understand me? Your number's too big, man. When me call, then can't hold on my phone for calling a number. It's too big. So when me call, me not getting through. But that's what the people in the street are saying. This team of coaches need to come back and take up the team. Listen, this is the biggest billing. Do you know that Mount Pleasant and Cavaliers have been drawn in the same group in this CONCACAF Club Championship? And based on things are right now, it looks like Arnett Gardens will be in the same group as well. I don't think that is right, but we're going to do a separate video to talk to CONCACAF about that. How you can have all the Jamaican teams who qualified in the same group, that makes no sense at all. But we're going to deal with CONCACAF when it comes on to that. Right now, we are dealing with Mount Pleasant. What are the better teams in Jamaica right now in terms of structure, in terms of finances, in terms of quality of player, depth of squad. One off. Right? And we want to make sure that when they enter this competition, they're a good representation. Because I understand there are some projected signings who are not happy with even what is going on. And they're saying, though they may have, implied that they had a desire to be at Mount Pleasant, because the entire staff and many players have been released. People are saying that they don't want to come no matter what the money is. Because people are seeing this. People are saying that. But there is no loyalty with this club. There is no loyalty with the leadership that if you snooze, you lose. And people are saying that, why would I leave something that is doing well for me to join a place where in 6 months, in 3 months, in 4 months, in 1 year, I could be gone out of that place and then I have nothing to fall back onto. This is serious. That's what the streets are saying right now. And I put it to you that the people want them back. So this is it. This would be the biggest people. This would be the biggest of them all. Imagine Mount Pleasant and Cavaliers end up in the finals of the club championship. Imagine when they start advertise that the first game, for example, in the Caribbean Club Championship will be a rematch of the JPL finals. You understand me? Mount Pleasant versus Cavaliers back at the National Stadium to settle matters. Rudolph Speed again versus Theodore Tappa Whitmore. Stadium locked down. Clean like Madia. No joke. Do the right thing. Mr. Gould, me know Mr. Gould still know. Mr. Gould a good person. And Mr. Christian, my virgin. You understand me? And like I say, I try reaching out to you, you know. Because the people in my plan say, some of this thing a joke, man. Too much chopping and cutting. They do agree that some of the people need to leave the club. Some of the players. But they say the physical trainer, the assistant coach, the goalkeeper coach, the head coach, really, they never failed. So why are they being relieved of the job? And people are saying, put them back, put them back, put them back, put them back. The people said demonstration in the streets, boycotting of games. That's the word out there. So do the right thing. Sit again with the men. Renegotiate the contract. Give them a free rein. And when you finish, you come out public and say, listen, we have gone back on the decision, having considered all the factors, and we are again re-engaging our former coaching staff to come back on board and give them and say, listen, we are giving them 1 year to make the wrong right. Full reign, including a transfer market, free reign. Bring in who they want. Full autonomy. This time, the coaching staff select the players. And if we can afford to bring them in via transfer, we will. And listen, and the players who are going to be here are the players who will listen to the coach. And this is, I have nothing against Harold Thompson, you know. Harold Thompson, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Because you did some good things. Harbor View, don't behold it. Big up yourself. But right now, you have been put in a position where the people are going to hate on you. You have to understand that the people think like the coaching, like Tappa and Barrett, you know, they are very close to St. Anne's, Montego Bay. It's like one place. And everyone else is viewed as outsiders. And you're in a situation that you take this, and the first game of the season, you draw it, I hit that, you know. I'm telling you. I think that you have a role to play. But I'm not sure I'll do this. I am sure that right now, this is the role for you at the club. Hey, people that have not spoken to Tappa, so don't come and tell me that I true me and Tappa are friend. Me and Tappa reason. If you ask Tappa if me and friend, I'm going to tell you, no. No, Tappa not going to tell you that. Still, Tappa a good person. I say, yeah, man, I know him, man. I'm not going to tell you that still. You understand? But Tappa a good person. And I can tell you this. You will not hear him do an interview talking about this. I saw them on the stage. You realize that he has left the Jamaica job, or they relieve him of it, and he never spoke about it publicly. That's how he is. That's how he is. You may not think he's a good enough coach, but 2 finals in 2 seasons. Come on now, man. Come on. Winning 1 and losing 1 and penalties. Come on now, man. People, that is it. That is it, people. Come now and get. You understand me, people? Me don't want to get. You understand me? So right now, that is the word on the street. Do the right thing. Put them back. Put them back. Put them back. Put them back. That's the word on the street. That's the word on the street, especially in light of the Caribbean Club Championship. Training should have started, at Mount Pleasant, Where are the players? Where are the players? The players don't even know. There was no held. Mr. Gold, do the right thing. And man is here to help. I can sit down with you on Tappa. At the rest of the side. Man is here to help. Volunteer the time. When I have it. You know me. Mr. Christie. Paul, call me. Peter, call me. You know my number. Put it on speed dial. I am management. This is I Am Sure Sports, and as usual, when it gets to the end of the program, we say we are over. And we are O-U-T out of here. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Take a word from this video is powered by Prestige Finance, lending a helping hand when you need it the most. And Trick Nick. And here's a word from Trick Nick.